In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new portfolio in Morningstar. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what each setting means so you can create a portfolio that's organized, accurate, and ready for tracking. First, access the portfolio tool. Start by signing into your Morningstar investor account with your usual credentials. Once you're in, look at the top navigation bar and click on Track Investments. That takes you to the area where Morningstar keeps its portfolio tools and tracking features so you can build and monitor your holdings in one place. Now let's create the new portfolio. Look for the Create Portfolio button. It's typically in the top right corner, but sometimes it can appear under a Manage Portfolios dropdown, depending on your layout. Click that to initialize a new portfolio. You'll be asked to name your portfolio. Choose something descriptive and memorable so you can find it quickly later. Examples could be Retirement 2026 or ASX Growth. A clear name makes it easier to separate long-term goals from shorter-term themes or strategies. You may see a field for an external identifier, which is optional. This is simply an extra label you can use to match your portfolio with a system you use elsewhere or to tag it for your own organization. Keep it simple and avoid including any sensitive information. Next, set the tax residency of the portfolio. This should reflect the country where the portfolio is treated for tax purposes. It helps ensure reports and assumptions line up with your location's tax framework. If you're unsure, pick the jurisdiction that matches where you file taxes for these investments. You'll also choose a financial year-end date. Many regions use December 31st, while others commonly use June 30th. Pick the date that matches your reporting cycle so your performance and tax snapshots align with your year-end review. Finally, select the performance calculation method. Morningstar typically offers approaches like time-weighted and money-weighted returns. Time-weighted return focuses on the portfolio's investment performance regardless of cash flows, which is useful if you want to evaluate strategy or manager-like results. Money-weighted return, sometimes called internal rate of return, incorporates the timing and size of your contributions and withdrawals, giving you a personalized view of how your actual cash impacted results. Choose the method that best fits how you plan to evaluate your performance. Once everything looks right, click Create Portfolio. Morningstar will set it up instantly, and you'll be ready to begin tracking your investments with confidence. That's it. Simple, clear, and set up for success.